Hey guys, so these finally arrived. These are the K-Speed CL07 spoked wheels that I plan on putting on my 2023 Honda SCL500 motorcycle. The wheels that come on this bike, the stock ones, they're actually just fine. Some wheels I absolutely hate. These I just don't particularly think anything of. They're multi-spoked in some kind of weird way, but anyway, they're something that don't attract attention, which is good, but they also don't attract attention, which is bad. And on this build, I'm looking to build a bike that I think is particularly neat looking. So let me show you these wheels a little more close up. The interesting thing about these is that while they're spoked, they're not spoked through the rim. The rim is actually, can run a tubeless tire. So I'm gonna just be, at least for now, swapping over my stock tires directly onto these. But they instead are kind of linked in to these little tabs on the sides. They've kind of got an interesting pattern inside. And the black and stainless steel / polished aluminum look, I think is gonna look pretty interesting. So these are the exact same size, the 19-inch wheel in the front, the 17 in the rear, and the width is the same. So it should be pretty plug and play. I'm gonna get this bike up on stands, pull off the wheels, and just take them in, just the wheels to the shop. I'm hoping I can get them done on Saturday with no appointment if I don't bring in the whole bike. Plus it's just that much easier than trying to get the bike and the wheels there together. I can just put both sets of wheels in the truck, and again, hopefully it's an even while you wait type situation. So let me get the stock wheels off the bike, run over to the shop, and hopefully get these on today. Really happy with this wheel set from K-Speed. I had actually ordered this wheel set the same week that I bought the bike, so it's been 3 or 4 weeks that it took to get here to the United States. I believe that it shipped from Thailand, but really happy with the results. Mounted on the same tires, the bike rides the exact same. The wheels came very true, and the fit and finish of everything on the wheels were great. It actually came with 2 sets of valve stems, both a black set and a silver set. I opted for the black set just because I have more black on the bike, but that was a nice feature to be included. The packing was really good though. Everything arrived in great shape. So again, really happy with the way that it runs and the styling. I wish this was the way that the bike came. Obviously it'd be a lot more expensive if it came off the floor like this, and that's probably why they use other parts. Plus styling is personal preference. So anyway, I'm glad that I'm happy with it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this particular wheel set. I still have a lot of other products to install on this bike, but all of the major ones I think I've got through at this point. I think suspension is the other big one that I might do, and there's lots of small things that I want to add here to this bike eventually. But anyway, enjoying the bike and the build. Thank you all very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.